Scott, how are you doing? Hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm Kyle Scantlin. Really happy we were able to connect, and I'm a local electrician as well here in Southern California. So the reason I reached out to you is I came across your company and did a little bit of research and just wanted to reach out and offer you a couple simple but extremely highly effective suggestions that could really help you out, okay? I've been helping other companies and business owners grow their businesses for many years. I'm extremely good at what I do. I help companies reach their goals, whether that's just increasing their numbers of monthly sales or customers, or if they want to be able to compete against the top companies in their field. I can make that happen. And that's really why I'm doing this for you today. This is completely free, and I'm going to try to keep this as simple as I can so you can take it and run with it, okay? Again, my name is Kyle Scantlin. I own Aries Marketing Pros, and the point of this video is I'm going to try to keep this short and sweet for you, okay? Because I respect your time. But I want to go over three really important things for you, on top of the fact that just having a website, online presence alone, what it means to you for your business and your income. And then with that, the three parts I want to go over is content, backlinks, and citations, okay? And then afterwards, I'm going to show you the importance of what having an online presence and taking these steps for your business means to you. So starting out, I wanted to quickly go over the elements of a search results page for you, okay? So here I just tapped in San Bernardino County electricians. So breaking it down, and I'm sure you're quite familiar, but I like to be very thorough. Just to explain really quickly, this top section right here, this is your Google Map Packs or local business listings. So if somebody puts in San Bernardino County electricians, this is what comes up, or if they're in the area and they put in local electrician near me, this is what pops up. And most people nowadays, the way everything goes with everything being online, and most people are going to go with number 1, 2, or 3 here. So having a website, you really want to build up your map pack and put it to one of these top 3 positions to try to bring in that business. You get about 30% of your online business and traffic comes from this section right here, okay? Next, down here, this is really important. This is your organic listings section, okay? This is where somebody has built their website and optimized it for the search engines to rank themselves up in the search engines. So in Google here for San Bernardino County electrician, your number 1 competitor is Express Electrical Services. All right, so ignoring Yelp and Angie and 3 best rated, those are just referral sites. Your actual organic listing here is Express Electrical Services, and I want you to remember that because we're going to use them as an example since they're your top competitor. So one of the things, in fact, I'll go here and I'll show you their website is, if you look at theirs, they got a lot on here, okay? But what Google's doing is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, it's actually crawling every single website on the internet, and it's looking for 2 specific things, and that's command content, which is every single word on the page, and including how pictures are saved and what's behind the pictures. And the number of words is important as well. So with Google, you want to be between the 1,500 to 2,000 words for your homepage there, depending on competition and number of keywords needed. So with your competition here, I actually took their information and put them into my word counter. So they're actually at 1,134 words for their homepage right there, okay? So they're still falling a little shy of where they should be at that 1,500 mark. So you could definitely create a website that has the right content, the right number of words and keywords within it in order to rank up. All right. And the other thing we wanted to talk about was the organic keywords. That's the other thing that Google's searching for. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product that links the searcher to your website. And in your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website found for. So with, for example, was San Bernardino electrician. Well, these come up, okay, and that's because they have it in their website with their organic keywords and the right keyword count in here. All right, so the next thing I want to talk to you about is backlinks, and a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another through a clickable hyperlinked text. And these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally a popularity contest where the person with the most websites pointing at them wins. And so what I did was I took your top competitor here and I put them into my web crawler program, And this breaks down the site in depth and gives us the data that's unseen, okay? So right here, I just want to give you an example. This is the DR score. This is our domain rating. And this shows us the strength of the website's backlink profile compared to other sites in the database. And this can be thought of as a measure of a website's link popularity, or how much the pages of a given website were referenced around the web. This is the trust factor and power rating, okay? And this is determined by this guy right here. This is your backlinks, which is essentially, like I said, it's a shout out from another website to yours. So this gives you three things. This gives you exposure, credibility, and power. So this is incredibly important for a website. However, I know they have 4,100 backlinks for their website. Now, keeping in mind, not all links are created equally. It's worth noting that the importance, that quality of a link is far more important than quantity, because you want it relevant to your industry and the other sites that actually put them in for you. So quality is far more important than quantity, okay? Now, the next thing I want to talk to you about is citations. And a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google Business Profile. Citations help you rank in this map pack right here, which is extremely important, remember, for local businesses, since they can generate huge amounts of revenue, be it that if they're optimized, they can bring in about 30% of your business from your online presence, okay? So what we do is we find out how many citations your top competitor has, and not only match that amount, but add on an additional 50 to that number. That way you climb up the ranks in Google and then outrank your competition. And we also make sure you maintain that top position as well, because you want to be one of these top 3 for your location and your field, all right? And citations include anything like Yelp, Angie, BBB, and hundreds of others I'm sure you've heard of. Your social media accounts do help as well too. They're very good. And the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. And the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. And once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely Google is to rank you above them, okay? Now, once you have your content, backlinks, and citations come together on an optimized website, on a website built for the search engine optimization, you could start to outgrow your competitors. And here's what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it to you, okay? This is one of the main reasons I wanted to reach out to you. So I'm just looking at one of your main competitors right here, and this is Express Electrical Services. Remember, we put them into my web crawler program, all right, and this is Ahrefs, and Ahrefs is just a tool, so these numbers are based on Ahrefs' own algorithms. So keep in mind that the numbers from Google are almost always actually much higher. But I wanted to point out to you something here. So you have their domain rating, they have their backlink number, they have 9.7 thousand keywords put into the website. That can be a little bit, you have to be careful with that too. But this is the part I wanted to point out to you, okay? This is their organic traffic. So every month, 6,500 clicks are going to their website every single month. 6,500. I want you to think about that for a moment. So by generating this kind of traffic through their website and Google Business Pack, let's say their conversion rate of people actually calling their business was just 10%. So 650. Let's keep it real modest and low. 650 people actually call their business every single month. And if they close at 50% of that, which can be very common for this type of traffic, if they close at 50% of that, then they're looking at 325 new customers, new jobs, and profit coming in every single month just from their online presence alone. So I'm not sure what your margins are or how much business you got coming in, but I imagine that would generate some pretty decent profit for you. Also, keeping in mind there are usually many more keywords we could use to generate more and more traffic and leads. So, Scott, this is what I do for a living now, and I'm creating this video for you to provide you the information that will help you and start generating some actual, presence coming in from the internet. And so, I tried to keep it as simple as I could. so that you can take this information and start implementing it yourself. Otherwise, if you prefer, I'm always happy to help you out. I know that tackling a new website build and having it on the right platform so that it can optimize, and then optimizing it for the search engines, can be daunting. And so, if you do find yourself wanting help with increasing your business profits substantially, feel free to reach out to me and I can provide you with some additional information. We can talk about your goals and I'll do the research for you for free to find out exactly what would be realistic for your business and what it will take, for you to reach your goals. So I hope this helps you out. The only thing I ask, if you wouldn't mind, please, is if you could provide me some kind of feedback so I know if you found this beneficial. Again, my name's Kyle Scanlon, and, feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'm always happy to help out. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this presentation for you, and I hope this helps you out. Okay? Have yourself a wonderful day.